Hello guys, this is me, Coding Kid, and today I'm going to show you how to make a Minecraft client. Well, not officially how to make it, there will be more tutorials on this in the future. This is just how to set up the client to get it ready to edit and stuff. So, we're going to start off by going on the internet and getting a download for something called MCP. So just type in MCP download. And you should go to a link, mcp.oceanlabs.de/index. I'll link this in the description too. Now, scroll all the way down till you see releases, and then it will say MCP and then a version. The last video I saw on this about 4 months ago, it said like MCP 4. So, yeah, it'll definitely be different by the time you're watching this. You can find MCP, yada yada yada. So, you're going to download this, and once you have it downloaded, oopsies, there was a problem. That might happen, but it's okay. It'll just restart your download, and it would, yeah, there you go. So now once it's downloading, you can just drag it to your desktop and open it up. And this also does work for Windows, except I'm going to show it for Mac. Yeah, and I'll explain to you how to do this on Windows too. So once you open this up, you open it, and in this jar section, you want to go to Finder, Finder, New Finder window, and then you want to go to Library, Application Support, MineCraft, Bin, and you have to delete your current Minecraft.jar. So, go ahead and delete it. So I'm gonna go. 1 second. Sorry, guys. So you just basically want a fresh Minecraft.jar with no mods on it. So I'm going to do that right now. I'm going to just delete my bin and load up Minecraft. So yeah, once you have a fresh Minecraft.jar with no mods, not a client, nothing, just one that you can get right after you install the game, you're going to, sorry, let's get this done. Bum ba da bum, bum ba da bum, bum bum. Almost there. Okay, so once you have a clean Minecraft.jar, you're going to grab your bin and drag it into the jars. So copy and paste. So now in the jars in your MCP folder, you've got the bin with all your Minecraft stuff. Now we can, so now let me explain how to do this on Windows. On Windows, you press decompile.bat and then it should just open and start working. On Mac, it's a little bit more confusing. You have to go to Terminal, and you have to type, sorry, I was doing some other things on here. You have to type CD and then go to your desktop and drag your MCP in there. So CD space, and then it will show like your users and all that. Then you press enter, and this top thing should change to MCP 72 if you're on Mountain Lion. Now you do that bash, and then you open up your MCP, and you drag in decompile.bat. So bash space decompile.sh, and then press enter, give it a few seconds, and it should say MCP and start to do all this stuff. It will say like updates available, sometimes it might say warning, sometimes it might open like retrograde and all this stuff. Ignore all that, just wait for this to finish, wait for them to, like, nothing else to happen. I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. Retrograde's still going, okay, it's done. So now it's just going to do all this crazy stuff to basically let it work, so like you can edit all the jars and stuff. When it's done with this, I will tell you what to do next. I will be right back when it is done. Okay guys, it worked. So now that it's done, you can just exit out of Terminal and go to the internet again And let's go to Google. And Google Eclipse. I will also link this in the description too. So, once you've Googled Eclipse, go to Downloads and download Eclipse Classic 4.2. Let me look again. Okay, I think you download Eclipse Classic. If that doesn't work, then try downloading Eclipse IDE, but I don't think it's Eclipse IDE. Because I forgot what one I downloaded because I've got an older version. So yeah, once you're done with that, open up Eclipse and start with that. Okay, open up Eclipse, wait for it to open, and for the workspace, go to Browse and look around for your MCP file. So then open up the MCP. No, great, it's frozen. Okay, well, okay, I hate it when it freezes. Okay, open up the MCP, and as you can see, there's a folder made for you named Eclipse. So open it, so it'll just be users, desktop, users, your username, desktop, well, maybe desktop, it might be somewhere else, and then MCP 72, and then go look for Eclipse. Press OK. And wait for this thing to load. And it's almost there. Okay, here it is. And it'll say client with an, now don't ignore server because we don't need that. We can even delete it if we want, but we shouldn't. Just keep server and client, that should work. So it should say client, server, and client should have all this stuff in it, and then all this stuff. That's all that. If you did it right, it should have all that, and you can exit out of Eclipse, and you can wait for my next tutorial. So that's how you set up Eclipse. Make sure you don't delete MCP 72, and you can also rename it to the client name. So like, my client was Derpcraft, so I'm going to name this one YouTube Craft. So yeah, this is our little modded client we have here. I'll be back with another tutorial. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.